Yes guys, and welcome back to Tekkers on the Beach. Today I've got a fantastic guest. He is part of one of the world's best bands, and it is Locksmith from Rudimental.
Yo.
Hello mate, thank you for coming up.
Thank you for having me, man.
So we've done a little bit of a warm-up. Locksmith has got unbelievable Tekkers, let me tell you that already.
I don't know about that.
So he's definitely going to bring it. How are you finding the sound so far?
Wait, it's difficult. It's not as easy as it looks. You make it look easy.
We've had some overhead kicks. He's done some unbelievable scissor kicks so far. So I reckon he's going to bring it today. Coming for the top of the leaderboard, Molly Clark.
Hey, Molly, I'm coming after you. I'm coming after that record.
So you've seen the challenges. It's 6 shots. I'll go first,
Cool.
and then you'll go next.
Sweet, let's
Ready?
do this.
Let's do this. Jesus! Charlie! Ah, love that. Oh no!
Oh, hello.
Alright, it weren't great as a first round, but I'll be better in a second. Let's see what Lockie's got.
What was that, sir?
Perfect.
Yeah, with the sand in my eye. I've got to do better than this. This is shocking. How difficult is that?
Yeah, let's go.
That was ridiculous, Aaron.
Charlie! TJ! It's a better round, but I've got a feeling Lockie is going to surprise us on this second round.
I'm glad you got that feeling.
The wind! Here we go, this is it. Yes! Yes! The second round was much better than the first, and he's just started playing on sand. Within 10 minutes he puts a bicycle kick in the back of the net and sends the England goalkeeper wrong way.
Sorry, lad. Sorry.
So listen, in terms of Tekkers on the Beach, Lockie bought it today, and he's definitely going to be coming back for Molly.
Oh yeah, I need to come back to beat that. I'm going to be better. You're going to be catching me out on little practice ones, I promise you.
How did you find it on the sand?
Oh, hey, it's so difficult on the sand. I know everyone's going to be looking at this at home and thinking, oh, you can't hit a 5-yard ball. It's so difficult. The wind, the sand, it's a joke. But I loved it.
Listen mate, he's on the leaderboard, 5 points. Thank you for coming up. See you soon.
All right, thank you.